Anto Waito Wagusi Kisii County ekora wa neta ya Honorable John Simbarati amaigayo ayekore na korega amaigayo oyotenena ako Charles Mwara Ayienda msajili wa mashamba hati miliki za mashamba yenu, landlord number 1, that's my name. Alias Ayienda must go, but I'm not gone. So Charles Mwara Ayienda msajili wa mashamba hati miliki za mashamba yenu, landlord number 1, that's my name. Alias Ayienda must go, but I'm not gone. Ekarondoche, our presiding judge, I am inspired in one or two issues. Moneringa over tutukanu over korekanu over kolerase koti yae osetikoti cheito chavo songo igobo chakerali over no tutukanu obo waire chingaki chemyake menge njerakiye na meyemo emyaka yonsi pi abake bagakire koti ekero mugaka gosoma ngina omonyena akure otigire ndemero yaye ewende kubaganu asa abana bae chinkoni cyarenga indadigo dimension bagenda so muchifu ligalirube ode banyarebe n'umwana nyarebe nakwete agatiga abana bangana iga ekemuranya ko mokonye bagenda bisyaria ye land registrar muntu mwegeno nyasaye omubuli amaswali abiri atatu orusie taito kurwa samarie tamaremu obeka asomo ngina gosa asomo muromo nene ere mamincha eri chiko ono iga we have farmed up ngakora nche mwaka karalire nana bakamura bali mwate banga mwa uchibesa okora wanze kwa besa yobo gotu utaranza konyore besa amare mukora bagera babura bawo nekero waka kure tomanyenga abana bae bonsi pi abo mwesike myaka 100 nabwate haki yoko ewe emonge yo ekera abantu bonsi be family bayigwana ine tanga sega ono iga ebi nabyonsi pi y'abantu bakure bigende koti ndulugo chobisiane lakini utaragende koti hakikisha ngo wajiro obisiyo mu land registrar amatuka amange pyora ile na atatu konyole sachiyo ne sachiyo ne shilingi 1000 yabo ogwakana on the platform ya pay chinkoni njireskaria bago tabanjelo musabea igonde field bono bago sabakiri busano kirufubere bago kolere bwango abuna bago tira ko guchinkondi ko bwato muchano njwo bisyalia ngerese ina point etangani ngama ameremo yo magondo yonsi bya bantu bakule egende court ere bya bozere bobe bona baga call succession tokoro kanga succession yembe of fake successions na ende bangi kubwatara na nechinkondi chinde titati ko dimension kiji ko butara magondo baga bwatire buti era thank God we have chigaje chigo pimeme gondo ekera bwatire igo ogenda obisiaye ochora matubeka kengeka chinamba cyagoro sana amaiga by the time awe kobisi etaito ya rosiwo igo there was unity of purpose yogo msilidi our people chinkondiechi lero igo ngitogo kora chisakisejo njichembeo abantu bansi kuruwana bakolere koti nkitogo kora obisialia icho okole saki togote biga succession nembe ya lengo naende abaiga mbara abago tebamba atige tuisiko omuli nara igo tige tuisiko umusabe yagwe serikali agende mugondo apimo mugondo yo arolenga kya abantu bamenyete mugondo bande bie title ye nebwate mutation mutation ne karatasi kona chumo gondo into small portions chia gu beneficiaries yo sabana ba maremu baba baiseke baba bamura mutation hiyo niye kwenda kokole unga amendment ye map etaga kole kanile paka 2017 na livi ndio bya chagete ko change when the right administration was in this Land Registry Kisii County. Ebintu bigo chiamo mutation ground ne araebu ekorokwe mapu ebwada ne title ebwada ne green card then mambo yako sawa na ande tigango tebiga esachi yoka inchoyo gokwana eyere manyete ne ya 2023 omukinyo gatana kogenda motu ebintu byonsi bigo equivalent. The only search that we give in Kisii County must confirm with all this, and we are training our people and our members of staff who are not following the law. Bona toko nyoranga succession yembe ya kole tuwe bali kiteba iga intoli go chikanzo ngabande bale go kanzo go chimaya banyamo menyete no molembe judge na asabire libaga bwana judge tuanchira nenga chi succession nitigachigenderere onya abantu bakoze keke bamenyete bwiya. But if there is a dispute, we must revert it back to the original number yomo nyino mugondo elinagole keke akole succession jijere ngana yende na ane chande tabantu nga boundary dispute. With the due humility, sir, the law all boundary disputes must be determined by the land registrar. Lakini baachira ega atakitako kole kona ega ya buangu agende yo justice mnyao ega anyore chioda chia buangu. Our boundary dispute diary is full up to December. But we have enough staff now and we want to fast track those activities. Finally, our religious school bara, all public institutions make every effort to apply to our office. We get to know that all public utilities are being titled. Osonga Kisii municipality, Chilisi chaito njiwate support system. Igo mondawate list, yo motaro. And let me repeat this. Many of our lists in Kisii County have no backup. Chibaka bunji church, allotment, community county, TRIM to amended through the survey plan. Then they come down here with a forwarding letter from the director survey, Omogondo Yodaling survey, or where the survey Divono, Nigora Semabu, prepare this, and this is the allotment. And this is to direct the land administration on your forward chief land registrar who forwards it to the land registrar Kisii County or a certificate of lease. Chipasa file Limbwata Chinyenge Chavo Muchimanyete, Vinanko Jibile, but many of them are being reverted if they were fraudulently obtained. So a certificate of lease, we get to a list that comes from Nairobi. That list must be amended on the RIM. That RIM must be supported by the survey plan. That survey plan must be part and parcel of what is on the new allotment, which is backed up by the means of the county council as it was then when it was being allocated. Asa ya mange na make ngakele chingobi na asabire ne chingu. Wantawana bangiti mole ngakele chingobi. Bwana County Commissioner anasema asante kwa kunipatia nafasi.
Asante. Unaamua boundary dispute.
Yes.
Ile yetu ya Garonga wende unamaliza. Tuko na boundary dispute kule Garonga na Rio City na sanda ingine kule chini, then kuna ingine kule Marani.
Hiyo ni kazi ya Land Registrar, we were there, and by the way, Honorable Mugo invited us there, and we determined that boundary using the registered boundary. But Keroka issue is more of a political question.
Na Rio City?
Rio City, the same case. We have actually Rio City boundary dispute was once upon a time way back in the 60s, determined by the court, and there is a court order to that effect. The people of Migori, and I want to say with a lot of humility, are in contempt of the court order of doing what they are doing there, but still you need to revisit it together with the county commissioner, Migori, together with the national land surveyor and myself, and we will get a determination by reading the law through the court order that was established.
So meaning to review here Rio City, and then kuna sanda ingine kule chini inaitwa nini? Kuna dispute ingine kule chini.
hiyo haijafika kwa ofisi yangu, lakini
Kisii South
haijafika kwa ofisi yangu county commissioner, but all boundary disputes are dealt by the land registrar, and the ones that are inter-county, then the director's survey together the chief land registrar will partner with the county commissioner and the county government to determine those boundaries. But sijasema kwamba wale wako kotini kwa sababu ya boundary dispute watoe kesi zao. The court will examine, and I have seen some judgments where magistrates and presiding officers have said, no, go and exhaust the law, the available mechanisms to determine this boundary dispute. Kwa hayo na mengi na machache, Bwana wa amani awabariki. Happy Mashujaa Day, Happy Christmas, and Happy New Year 2025.